Hi everyone, this is Vaughn with Tasty Fairy 101, and today we're going to make banana bread. And that's how we make our banana bread. And that is how I make my banana bread. If you want to change it up a little bit, add some walnuts, use semi-sweet chocolate, that's fine. I used non-dairy chocolate for this one, just because I had it handy, so I thought I would use it. And here is, oh, isn't so pretty. Okay, taste test. Subscribe, like, have any questions at all, just let me know. And right now I am going to enjoy this deliciousness. So good. See you later.